Hey gardeners, have you ever grown broccoli, Rob? Let me tell you all about it. It's cousin to the broccoli plant. You can see some broccoli right next to it with these really waxy leaves by comparison, but it has some real differences, and one of them is how much more tender the leaves are, and also the stalks. They have thinner skins and they're much more tender. So similar to broccoli plants, you can cut off the main crown or floret that comes up, and then it puts out all of these auxiliary florets, and it puts a lot more energy into those once these have been harvested. This one was just harvested last week, and already these extra florets have grown so much because the plant is trying to put its energy into setting those up and setting flowers. You can see this one has been allowed to go a little bit long, and it has actually set flowers, but they're still good to eat even when they get to that point. And you can see all along the stalk it's putting out additional florets, and those will all get tall like this, and the entire thing is edible. It's tender and really tasty, and there's a lot of really great ways to eat it, including raw. So with these, you'll want to just come in here and you can use some little trimmers and just snip the stalk down here, and you can take that whole stalk out, and that entire thing is really tender and edible. The more you harvest, the more it will continue to put these florets on, because the plant's whole goal is to reproduce. So more harvesting means more production, and ultimately that's what we're trying to get out of our plants.